Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
4 schools were special schools and 100 were the normal schools through which these candidates were answering this examination. So 480 appeared for this examination, 466 cleared the examination, and the pass percentage is 97.08%. The various facilities that we grant them through this special scheme is there's a separate papers like functional English, functional Hindi or functional maths. So we have a special syllabus catering to their needs, extra time depending on their special ability, then special sitting arrangement depending on their special ability, on preferably on the ground floor and close to their residence, reader or writer, and enlarged print of the question paper. These are the some of the facilities granted to them. The special school results, purely special schools, there are 4 in numbers. Sanjay Center for Special Education, Porvorim, through which 45 students were sponsored. All 45 have cleared the examination. The result is 100%. St. Xavier's Academy from Old Goa had sponsored 18 students, 17 cleared, and the result is 94.44%. Lokvishwas Pratishthan's Virani Isani High School for hearing impaired children, this is from Dhavli Fonda, 8 were answered this examination, 8 had answered, all 8 cleared this examination, the percentage is 100%. There is another school from Lokvishwas Pratishthan only, this is for visually impaired from Dhavli itself, 2 answered this examination, 1 pass, percentage is 50%. You can see the percentage of the candidates in the following range. So 7.25% they could not clear the examination, so they will have to answer this examination again. Then you can see 33 to 45, only 2.38%. Then the middle range up to 60%, 46 to 59, 23.65%. Then 60 to 80 you can see there are many students between 60 to 80%, 50.05%. And of course 81 to 100 there are 16.67%. So that follows the normal curve. So many of them they come under that range of 60 to 80. Then 80 to 100 it is 16.67.